Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be taking you for my walks that I usually take. It's coming with me, and these walks is a little different because what I like to do is see if I can't find snakes when I'm walking. So let's see. I like finding snakes. Snakes are my favorite animals to find when I'm walking. To explain, but I don't care. Let's see if I can find any animals. And with me, animals don't come naturally. A lot of animals hate me, which I don't know why, but not necessarily the reason. So, let's see if I can find any animals today. As we go for the walk, I'll be talking to you and also showing you my surroundings. This is what I have so far. There's the house, everything else. So let's see what we can find for the walk. We'll take it. Oop, there goes a buddy. Let's see. Okay. Yeah? When I come back, I'm showing them the snakes. Oh, come on, Dad. Sorry. I did my makeup again, but this time a little different. And I also have a bathing suit on too. So I might go swimming as well. It's a blue bathing suit. I got it from my sister because she gave it to me. Let's see if we see any snakes, but we have to be quiet so we don't spook them. I guess somebody got hurt. Had a little bites thing. Let's see if we can see any snakes. Let's see. We have to be really quiet so we don't scare them. They can get scared very easily. Let's see. Found a big snake and a tiny little snake. But no more snakes. That's sad. Okay. Now I can show you the falls. I really like this place because it's very unique to most people, but for me, but for me, it's my favorite place to go. It's kind of silly. There I am. Let's see what the falls looks like. You want to see what it looks like? Look at that. That tree that is down, that's been down for a while now, but I couldn't get anywhere to pick it up. To be honest with you guys, this place smells amazing. Like, literally, it smells amazing. Like, gosh, I have a little dress on. I love. You realize there's more to life than just what meets the eye. And once you guys understand that, you'll understand it too. So, what meets the eye comes more from the feeling of understanding. Never mind. I can't lift it. Right there. I can't lift the fucker. But oh well. But this place is beautiful. I love it. And when you guys open your life to new possibilities, you'll see the light that shines within you. Well, I'll be talking to you on the way back and then stopping because I'm gonna go eat lunch. I'm hungry. I enjoy making videos for you guys. It makes me feel happy knowing I have people that will like my videos and knowing that I have them. And the more you guys understand it, the more you guys realize it's not just a host people are doing to just get money and stuff. They're actually doing it for fun. So, yes, the more you understand people, the more you get into it. But the more you understand what goes on in life, the little you are to understand. For me, that was to understand the fact of meaning, the word meaning, life. The meaning of life is so much different compared to what most people think it is. So, the meaning of life all depends on how you make your own life to be out to be. There's a hawk in the sky that comes with the consequence of our little animals. But they're doing good. We still have all of them. So, in life, you need to figure out what you want in life. Don't let people tell you what you can and cannot do. Tell people you can do what you want to do because it's your body, your choice. Don't let people make you out to be the villain. Okay? Just think. There's other things in life that you can think of. Just don't make people change your perspective on life. Let them do what you want them to think you can do. And if you let them think you can do what you can do, let them keep thinking it. Let them see how well you are. Let them be jealous of you. Don't let them do anything that you guys are not comfortable with. Okay? For more videos like this, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.